Sokoto State, and of course a two-term governor also of Sokoto State, and is currently a distinguished senator serving the people of Sokoto North Senatorial District and in the National Assembly Senate in particular. He is the chairman of the Senate Committee on Local and Foreign Debts. He's an alumnus of the University of Pittsburgh. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, please let's put our hands together as we welcome the special guest of honor and invite him to deliver his speech, and thereafter we make further processions. Your Excellency.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful beneficent, I will be the chairman of this great occasion, Dr. Chris Akomas, Chairman Board of Trustees, Malik Mahmoud, Member of the Official Assembly, all Ministers of State Awards, my colleagues, the Deputy Governors, members of Official Friends here with us, invited the leader movement. Let me thank the chairman and all those involved for inviting me here to be part of this unique occasion, the celebration of the continuation of public trade through Nigeria Deputy Forum. We are going to commission a building, but the commission of this building is not just a building. But think about Nigeria's future, its progress, its prosperity, its uniqueness, reaching out, providing good governance, transparency, and accountability in governance, and make a friend across the divides. I remember in 1999, this forum was first initiated by then former President Mr. Goodluck when he was President Bayelsa, the Ambassador, the Malik, Ganduje, and what other president were put in Ibrahim and you say, Alhamdulillah, today, if somebody has bottom out, has come in a stronger way, that the permanent office, to meet regularly, and even apparent leadership also Board of Trustees to chair or to lead this very important forum. It's important to remember that one person was present. If I go to say my friend, I'm not your friend, sir. You are my present. I'm only a subject. If you want to maintain the friend, because we are just difficult that net, but I never agree with him that I'm his friend. I'm his subject. I'm his. It's my present. So this unique friendship we have created some years back is still yielding result across the nation. We're here today to celebrate coming together in the interest of this great nation, Nigeria. I'm not seeing young man from Quebec for some time now, even though it's my dear friend. A young girl from Plateau was like Marilla Sira, because she knows she's only in the villa, so we miss regular was in the villa. The young Bao Magadi of Kaduna, engineer Bao Magadi, one of those who are here, the young man from Rivers. Many others who are here, we know each other since those days when we were deputy governors, and that friendship, that brotherhood, still extends beyond the time we were serving in those offices. Let me commend our current chairman and all those before him, our Board of Trustees chairman, and all of this great board, including our able DG, who are doing so well to make sure that this forum exists, operates, and succeeds. The chairman, like I said, I'm not trying to make a speech, but just to commission the building, but build that a symbol of unity of this country. So with your kind permission, I want now proceed to commission this great edifice. Yeah, what? Okay. Okay. The board of funds before the commissioners. But no man.
All right, Your Excellencies, the microphone goes now to Special Guest of Honor to lead the team from our commission. Your Excellency.
Thank you for very well done. The board of Nigerian former deputy governors is the order to commission this building to the President of Nigeria.
That's a place.
Please, not your phone. Drop your phone. This friend of the former Secretariat of Nigeria, dedicated to the God was
Bring down your hand now, this man.
was the building of stronger elected appropriate program that nation. This is a commission for open on Saturday, day of 2025 by me, Senator Aliyu Wammako. Thank you.
Adopted our photographs. I think the pattern taken, when we finish the talk, you will come and take photographs there. So we're taking a group photograph outside, so we don't have to do another one. No, this was the Polish National Business Council. Where is DG? Sorry, sir, we always lost something is good. We're still on it as they come. Display and business council office and the digital is to display the Polish products and also like at the conference we display, ask them the Polish to display their products and then Nigerian company display it. So this is the LPG conversion kit. You know, we are doing CNG, but this is LPG because LPG, 3.5 million vehicles in Poland is using LPG. They are using CNG. In Germany is also using LPG. So these are just being introduced for Poland, and we begin to also introduce it to the government. And it's very good for conversion of diesel. It gives you about 40% savings when you start with the diesel and generators. So it's very good. And these are various products for manufacturing waxes, and these are perfumes. So we're expecting about 30 different company products here by the beginning of next month.
Also one to Abba.
You want to sit here?
Right, right.
And with Usman and Fund University, we got students who are the students of fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. I mean, please, I mean, you work a lot with the state, and so you're doing, I mean, also we want to work. Thank you. Thank you so much.
About 40.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Question is today your forum has, launched or inaugurated your permanent office. What does it portend to national development?
It portends unity for this country, working better to ensure good governance, transparency and accountability. Also brotherhood across the divide in this country. What the country needs, this time to any other time, come out together with the interest of the nation to build a better, stronger Nigeria of our dream for others, for children yet unborn.
So I also understand that one of the demands of this forum is to ensure that the Constitution gives, a place or recognizes the office.
I am not aware of that. Thank you.
That is right. That is right.
Go.